Get your industries ready. Accelerate, Snowflake's flagship virtual series, is returning in April. Move past the hype and explore the real transformation AI is having across 6 industries, including cutting-edge agentic applications, deeper workplace business intelligence, and how organizations are architecting the next generation of enterprise superintelligence. You'll be hearing from established leaders in the AI and data space, including SAP, Accenture, and more, on innovative use cases and data best practices. We'll also take you on a journey of what's possible with a connected data ecosystem with Snowflake Intelligence and semantic views in the AI Data Cloud. Over 2 weeks, starting April 21st, you will get deep industry knowledge into advertising, media and entertainment, retail and consumer goods, public sector, financial services, manufacturing, and healthcare and life sciences. This isn't just another webinar series. It's a crash course in building a sound, industry-ready AI strategy. And hey, whether you join for one industry deep dive or the full 2-week circuit, you'll leave with the technical framework to lead your organization's AI evolution. And the best part? Registration is now open for Accelerate 2026. Visit snowflake.com/accelerate and sign up today. We'll see you in the spring.